So we're gonna try to get some viral clips today.
Well, you told me that car is shooting massive flames.
It is. It was like we were driving down the road the other day following you. We were following you in this car, which is gonna be the camera car. And me and him look up, me and Lou look up, and there's just flames shooting from your exhaust.
All I've thought about for over a week now is I want to see these flames. I can't see the flames because I drive the car. So today, we got to go see these flames.
Yeah.
I think they want to see these flames too.
Oh, absolutely.
Another thing, what did you rig? Because I'm sure this is interesting. It's interesting to me. Like, what are we doing here?
So what I did was I mounted 2 GoPro Hero 7s up on the car. I mean, we got one mounted right here, kind of aimed down and out.
So let's see what that looks like.
Yeah, let's see. Let's show you what
Did I turn it on?
So we got one angle right here. You can kind of see the exhaust right here. And this is gonna be like the downward angle with the road. Yeah, all that crazy stuff going on. So as you can see there, that's gonna be the angle where it shoots out and you're gonna see the whole flame. But I thought another cool angle, while we have extra GoPros.
Because why not? Yeah.
We have this one right here. Vinny, do you want to do another demonstration?
Secret too. There's a secret beyond this camera. What is the secret, Miller?
The secret beyond the camera?
Yeah, down here. What did we also?
Oh, so also we have this. This goes in par with that. We have the third person angle of the Osmo. Everybody knows and loves these on the internet.
You know what's funny? That wasn't even what I'm talking about, but that is awesome too because we're gonna get that angle.
Right, but
for their hearing pleasure.
But for the hearing pleasure, we have a microphone hid up behind the license plate because we needed protection from the exhaust.
I'm actually the most scared for you or Casey when you play this footage back.
Like the footage back. Yeah, that's why we hid it behind the license plate. Hopefully it'll deafen it a little bit. Probably not.
Probably not.
No. But yeah,
flames, dude.
That's gonna be sick. I hope it like shows good today. That's gonna be sick.
By the way, your car is really cool.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
I just picked this up.
Dude, we were digging. If you're not on Miller's channel, you gotta go check it out because he's gonna have an episode on this. But dude, the interior brought me back, dude. This is like my parents when I was growing up, like their living rooms looked like this out of the same material. I love this stuff. They need to bring that back.
They do. They really do.
Yeah.
Could you imagine all red interior in that?
Dude, with this going on.
Yeah.
Oh, it just feels
some
so good.
Race seats
some race seats with that material. Oh my god. Yeah, let's
Corbeau, hook it up. Sweet. All right. Well, we need to get these things out of the garage.
Dude, here, give me this for a sec because I haven't heard you start this thing up yet. By the way, this is gonna be a project car for him.
I'm gonna make this into a baby 350R.
I told him suspension and brakes first and foremost because I care about him.
Back in '93, they didn't have mountain roads.
Heck no, bro.
They just.
Dude, can you imagine that? That is that. It's gonna be sick.
Do we want to open the garage door?
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. What do you guys think? This is my superb camera skills. Oh dang, dude, dang! It's so sick. America. So, my camera now. So, camera car, he's out there. Sorry, I totally blew that for you, Miller. You're out there revving. So, camera car, flame spitter. I don't know what I'm doing. Here, show you the inside. Driver's perspective. All right, here you go.
Can we turn the AC on outside?
Yeah,
dude, it's hot.
Dude, there's already a heat advisory in effect. Here we go.
Sorry if this footage is shaky. I'm sorry, I can't do nothing about it. We need to let both cars actually warm up. This one and that one.
We're gonna go split flames into the flames. I don't, like, dude.
It's a 10-degree difference in the shade of the sun.
The world may as well already be on fire, so we're just gonna add to it. All right, dude, here. Your startup. Do you have the key?
No.
No.
Is the key in it?
No.
Okay.
The other day I came inside and I was like, I just hung on the key ring. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm supposed to keep it in there. That worked. Not a terrible duo. Are we getting a thunderstorm soon? What is going? Oh my Lord! Look at all this cloud. Yeah, they're beautiful, but in the distance, I don't know.
Deadly duo on the rally.
Deadly duo on the rally. Oh yeah, this is our rally duo.
Yeah, this is our.
Oh, sick.
Oh, if you guys are ready for it, we're about to go on a 3-day rally up into the North Carolina and Tennessee mountains with these 2 cars. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
And a bunch of supercars.
These are our supercars.
This is true. That car is super.
I'm kind of excited. We're gonna be pushing some people out of the way, I think.
We're gonna. Yeah.
Like, you got to think about other people are taking like $500 to $1 million car, $500,000 to $1 million cars. These are substantially less, so they're not going to push it as hard as us. We're going to be toge monsters.
Bro, when we went on Corsa on that thing, we practically ran all the Lambos off the road. We were hitting it hard.
Corsa was not ready for that.
No, it's gonna be fun. This has no safety, so this trip I'm gonna just enjoy it. Wait till you see me rip it. All right, you ready to do this? All right.
You better work out your arms before the rally.
Dude, I know, I'm like shaking.
No, I'm saying because you're gonna be manhandling that.
Oh, that's a good, that's more important. Oh man.
Make sure you don't get arm pump.
It's gonna be fun.
All right. Let's go start some cameras. Let's do this thing.
We just passed the sheriff, and Miller was up my tail end, but I think you can tell there's a camera, and it is a GT40. I tend not to get too bothered in this car, but I guess we'll find out. So I've got hearing protection in, so I don't know how loud I am, but let's see, is that sheriff following us? Yep. All right, let's see what happens here. RPM gauge is it's at 7,500 RPM right now. That's not right. Yep, I'm pinned at north of 8,000 RPM right now. Great. Looks like we got some flames. Actually, I'm gonna take a detour. Follow me. All right, sounds good. See ya. talk about anything that we're doing in this car. So you might see 2 clips of me in car footage this time around. You don't want to see me though, you want to see this, so flames go. Dude, that was crazy. Well, the GT40 definitely just died. What do you mean it died? So it was funny because, so I can't get it to give me any power. Let me see, hold on. Oh, wait, never mind, there we go. Let me see, hold on a sec. Okay, we're good. So, I don't know how that happened. Oh, that's probably what happened. What? All right, so let me fill you all in. Hold on a second. So I thought I was gonna have to text Dennis because I'm like, dude, my RPM gauge, I was doing 2,000 RPM at one point and the needle was pegging and going like this. So check this out. Let me show you guys something that you probably don't know about this car. So on the right side, and I've been caught by this before. Now, this was in the on position when we left, but this is the battery cutoff. Total race car, right? So you just flip it and it's off. So I think what happened was when we were driving it last week, because Louis kept kind of hitting it, so I bet it was kind of turned like this, just getting enough power, and it shut down while I was driving it. Because my needle was pegged, and then I went to restart it and be like, let me reset the system, and it wouldn't start. And I'm like, oh, the car's dead. But this had, I think because I was driving it.
Yeah, I'd say you were driving hard. Let me show you. You would shift and it would shoot flames.
I can't wait. Like, dude, we should download some Did you bring you didn't bring your computer, did you?
I didn't bring my computer.
Maybe we can see if we can get on my computer.
Yeah, I'd say it's gonna be way worth it. That's so sick. I'm so hyped. Even if this camera didn't get any like shoot flames or anything like that, this is still a sick angle, you know?
Such a sick angle, dude.
So we're gonna be showing you guys, you probably have already seen all the things. We'll just have to, that was sick.
Dude,
and that's like all it takes.
Is unreal.
Yeah.
Like that, this thing is incredible.
This is probably the best like camera you can buy for your best bang
for the buck, hands down.
Yeah. Because you can do what we're doing with this camera right now with that. And I also do video calls on my computer with that for like Zoom and stuff now when I have a work thing. And people are like, how do you get such good quality on your, I'm like, well, it's just this thing. That's it. The Pocket 3.
Anyway.
We're gonna be using that on our trip.
We're gonna be using that on our trip. Yep. We got a couple of those actually, don't we?
Yeah. Yeah. 2 of them. So we are gonna go make a video about the GTD update if you guys wanna check that out next week. And then we're gonna make a video about one of the cars in here that did really well last time. So we're gonna make a love and hate relationship kind of thing with the other cars, but this was a fun one.
This was fun.
There's nothing beats going out and driving.
Nothing, especially when you pass cops and they don't chase you.
I don't think we would have stopped today. No, I think we would have stopped because we would have got a great thumbnail.
We would have got a great thumbnail.
Yeah, shooting flames in front of cops.
I almost stopped on the way back, but then I was like, I'm gonna take this detour because it's gonna be more fun to drive that way.
It was a fun drive.